In today's video we are going to share 4 easy and best soups to burn fat quickly and lose 3 kilograms in a week. Also at the end of the video, we are sharing the most helpful tips to make weight loss soups. Are you looking to lose weight while eating healthy delicious meals? But did you know that soups can be magical for your weight loss journey? Yes, soups are not just delicious, but also healthy and filling. These soups are loaded with fresh vegetables and high in flavor, yet naturally low in fat and calories, perfect for weight loss journey. Today, we bring some of the best soup suggestions which can help you drop the weight. Before that, let's know why soups are a great option. Are soups a good way to lose weight? Soups are a fantastic way to lose weight, as long as you're eating the right kind. Soups are naturally filling and can be low calorie, so are a great choice when you are wanting to drop a few pounds without too much effort. What types of soups are good for weight loss? Plant-based soups are the healthiest. They contain healthy vegetables, may contain pulses and grains, and are made without dairy or heavy animal fat. When choosing a soup, it's important to have one with lots of veggies. The fiber from veggies, plus a high water broth, will help keep you full without adding excess calories. So, here are soups that you can enjoy for weight loss. Number 1, clear soups. You can boil the vegetables that you like to have, but no underground vegetables. First cut them into big chunks and then boil it properly. After that, just puree it. This soup will have a lot of fiber content in it. For flavor, you can add some pepper or garlic. If you find this helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Number 2, chicken soup. Chicken soup is nothing but low-fat chicken pieces which should be boiled properly. Only strained chicken broth should be taken. Also, add some garlic vodka with a pinch of salt. Number 3, cabbage soup or multicolored vegetable soup. Add carrot, peas, capsicum, also you can use spinach. All the vegetables should be cooked in a pressure cooker properly, and then they can be blended like a smoothie or paste. There is no need to add any thickening agent like corn flour. After it's cooked properly, add a pinch of salt or vodka to the broth. Number 4, green veggie soup. Green vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps in faster weight loss. Ghee, butter, palm oil are to be used. Just a pinch of salt to the broth can be added, as more of it will result in water retention. Additionally, tofu can be added to veg soup. People craving for flavor can try kimchi soup, which can be loaded with vegetables, little red chili flakes, dark soy sauce, pepper. Helpful tips to make weight loss soups. Always add veggies that you like most in the recipes. Add cabbage and celery, as they're known for their weight loss and detoxifying properties. Also, they make the soup healthier, hence it will keep you fuller. To make the soup even healthier, you can replace the white potatoes with sweet potatoes. If you prefer, you can add beans to the soup for extra protein. The benefits of these soups are that they taste great and they really do help you lose weight. The best part? This soup recipe is so easy to make, is packed with nutrients, making it a perfect option for weight loss. Share your feedback in the comments section below. If you want to see more such weight loss diet and tips, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.